Hello everybody, today I'm going to talk about how to find Facebook Marketplace on iPhone. Now pay attention. You need first update your app, okay? Open your app store and make your update. Now, when you are here, you need those in the corner. Can you watch three lines, okay? When you see where is Facebook, those here, and then can you watch your marketplace. Now if you don't watch here your marketplace, you need add your telephone number and your email in your settings, okay? In your personal information you need have that information. It is like verify your account, okay? Your identity. You need add your telephone number and your email, okay? Maybe you have one of both, okay? You have maybe your email or you have your number, okay? But not both. You need add two, and with that you can touch here, and this is your profile in your marketplace. Can you make your post, okay? Publish your products or content as well, or see your message and other things, okay? Sorry, I exhaust, okay? It's so late, okay? It's the night. I need practice my speaking, but I know that you understand me in this moment, okay? It's so easy, okay? Now the most important thing is update your app. Sorry for my bad English and have a good day. See you later.